to my channel, and in this video I finally have the hair review for Get It Girl Hair. If you haven't seen my last video, I'm going to link it down below. I was talking to everybody about great wholesale vendors for people who are either trying to start their own business or just want to find really great hair for really great prices. Before I get into all that, I'm just going to explain to you all a little bit of what's in my head right now. I have in 3 bundles of the Brazilian mink hair and an 18-inch closure. I have in 20, 22, and 24 inches. And girl, look how full it is. Like, you can't even tell by the camera. It gives it no justice. But this is a full head of hair. I mean, usually when you get like 3 bundles in a closure from some hair companies, it is nowhere near as thick. This is about as thick as 4 bundles right now. Like, I feel like I have 4.5 bundles in my hair. Like, that's how dense it is. Like, it's so full, and the texture is so amazing. And if you can't tell, I dyed it. So let me tell you the story on the color of this hair, okay? So I wanted to do like an ash blonde, but I'm a procrastinator, and I dyed the hair the night before I was supposed to go get my hair done. So of course, me being me, I put the bleach and the developer and everything on the hair, didn't leave it on there as long as I should have, because I was kind of getting a little bit impatient. It was getting late at night. I wanted to go to bed. So I was just, you know, doing this really quick. May have been drinking. And so I just hurried up and left the developer on there for maybe like 20 minutes or something like that. 20-25 minutes per bundle. Get off, rinsed it out, and went on about my business. And I noticed that the color wasn't as bright as I wanted. I also put toner on it. I used the T18 and the T35 toner because, again, my plan was to go ash blonde, but I didn't leave the developer on there long enough. So instead, it's kind of coming out real chestnut brown on screen, but to me in person it looks kind of reddish, like a reddish brown. Anyways, obviously this hair takes color really well, and it did not take long at all to color this hair. And I did 3 bundles in a whole closure, and this is so much hair, y'all. It is so much hair, and it's so pretty. I love the texture. I get compliments all the time on this hair. Like, I honestly think I found the holy grail hair. Like, how is this even possible to find hair like this? Like, I would never ever want to ever buy hair from AliExpress ever again, knowing I could get hair like this from a company that's freaking US based. And even though they do wholesale, you don't have to buy in bulk. Like, you can buy 1 bundle, 2 bundle. There's no minimum purchase price. I'm gonna have all of their information linked in the description box below, of course. Y'all, it's nothing bad I can say about this hair. You can run your fingers through the hair. I don't get shedding. Like, I don't get terrible shedding. Like, of course, when you brush the hair, you're gonna have a little bit of shedding, but I'm not the girl with like random strands of hair hanging all over her, you know, because her hair is falling out everywhere. I don't have clumps of hair on the floor. And this is really great hair, y'all. I'm sorry, I keep looking over here because I can't stop looking in the viewfinder because this hair, it's gorgeous. It's like, what can I say? Like, I can't say anything. Like, look, I'm just gonna be quiet this whole video. I'm just gonna show you the hair, okay? Thanks. If you want to know about Get It Girl Hair info, down below. Video over. Speaks for itself. Like, I'm not even trying to be cocky, y'all. Like, it's nothing bad I can say about this hair. Nothing. Like, nothing. What do you want from me? Nothing. I can't say anything bad. I freaking love it. When you see great hair, you just know great hair, and this is great hair. I'm not gonna have any problems down the road. I really don't need to ramble on about how great this hair is. If you really want great hair, this is what you sell to your customers. You want to start a business? You start a business with hair like this. Point blank, period. And I'm tired of rambling. How long can I say, oh, this is great hair, oh, this is great hair, oh, this is great hair? Either you believe me or you don't, but I'm telling you, you can see for yourself. Look how it took color. It's just gorgeous. And I'm gonna go enjoy my hair. So if you want hair like this, all the information will be in the description box below. You should go check it out. That's all I can say. Alright y'all, thank you so much for watching this video. Adios, till next time.